The weirdest part of quantum mechanics is quantum entanglement, or what has been called spooky action at a distance. But this and the other paradoxes of quantum mechanics can be explained by an emergent process that is relative to the atoms of the periodic table and the wavelengths of the electromagnetic spectrum of light. This simple diagram highlights how an emergent process can explain quantum entanglement. We have the wave-particle nature of light and matter in the form of electrons, forming an interactive process, or what I like to call a blank canvas that we can interact with. When we interact with the light waves, by coming in contact with them, we form new photon particles, or new photon oscillations. As part of an emergent process, this represents a new particle in space and a new moment in time, in just the same way as a pebble dropped into water will form ripples that are relative and synchronized as they radiate out from their center source. Light waves of a common source will have spin or polarization relative or synchronized to this new photon oscillation. This is a continuous process unfolding all around us, with the spontaneous absorption and emission of light. Within such a process, the uncertainty of quantum mechanics would be the same uncertainty we have with any future event, with an emergent uncertain future represented at the smallest scale of this process by Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. It is because we are made of atoms that this process is relative to the energy and momentum of our actions. Therefore it is relative to how we set up and run experiments. I will place links below that explain how this emergent process can give us a logical understanding of the two-slit experiment, the delayed choice quantum eraser experiment, the EPR experiment, and the polarization paradox with visible light and microwaves. However the future unfolds, there is a continuous exchange of photon energy with the movement of positive and negative charge. Whenever objects touch, it is charge that makes contact, and we have the organization of charge relative to the membrane of each living cell within us. At high temperature, we have a phase change of matter, with charge being able to cover a large area of interstellar space in the form of plasma. Therefore, this can be a universal process. This is explained in greater detail in my other videos. Please sub and share. It will help the promotion of this theory.